Yep. Dropping flavor. Whoa. Yeah, so this is the pumpkin getting in and being cooked with seasoning. I don't have to taste it, but I know it's good. But actually, I like the smell of it, and it's really good. Let's have that cook down a little bit. We're gonna grab my pot. My other pot. I should be making some rice to go with this. But here we go. Put this on. We're going with the large, you get that short. Just put a small amount of rice in here. Pop some salt in here. I'll get these back to where they're supposed to be. This pot will cover it. Gonna need a little butter in it. Pretty much done. over here. How's it gonna need it? Kind of season the pot somewhat. Get that out the way. Yeah, pop some stuff in it, get it going, get it running. That's that. So, I think I'm gonna run about, probably full the cup. That should be it. Full in the cup will make it by a cup and a half. That's the amount of rice I'm gonna do. Alright. Need the rice to be boiling, the water to be boiling. We're gonna pop that in. And yeah, just use some small amount of water in the pot. Water is already boiling because I have it on high heat. So what I'll do, I'll pop this in here. Rule of thumb is water is supposed to be on the rice, about that over the rice, and that's what that was. And yeah, and we're gonna go peace out again. But back to the main thing again. Aunt May 13 blend spice. It's all purpose, no additive, no preservative, and no salt with it. Link me in the bio if you need a packet sent to you. Need to purchase a packet, I should say. Peace out. Thanks again.